Reliance Industries stands as India's largest private sector company, and understanding its current position requires a deep dive into its recent performance and future prospects. Let me walk you through a comprehensive analysis of this industrial giant. Starting with recent performance, Reliance has shown remarkable resilience in the third quarter of fiscal 2026. The company reported consolidated revenue of 2,93,829 crore, marking a 10% year-on-year growth. What's particularly impressive is the profit after tax of 22,290 crore, representing a modest 1.6% increase from the previous year. To the Nifty index performance, Reliance has demonstrated relative strength. While the Nifty 50 gained over 10% in 2025, Reliance's stock has shown steady performance, currently trading around 1,387 rupees. The stock has maintained its position within 14% of its 52-week high of 1,611 rupees, indicating sustained investor confidence. The company's financial metrics paint a compelling picture. With a market capitalization of 18,75,736 crore, Reliance commands significant market presence. The price-to-earnings ratio of 22.54 appears reasonable, especially when compared to the sector average of 34.82. The book value per share stands at 648.14, which analysts consider attractive. Diving into quarterly trends, we see consistent growth across key business segments. Jio Platforms delivered robust performance with EBITDA growing 16.4% year-on-year to 19,303 crore. The retail segment, despite facing some margin pressure, maintained steady revenue growth of 8.1%. The oil to chemicals business showed remarkable improvement with EBITDA jumping 14.6% to 16,507 crore. The sector outlook for 2026 appears cautiously optimistic. The oil and gas industry is experiencing supportive policy measures, though challenges like supply chain pressures and fluctuating crude prices persist. India's refining sector is increasingly focusing on digitalization and process automation, areas where Reliance has been investing heavily. The company's integrated business model positions it well to capitalize on India's growing energy demands. Reliance's competitive advantages remain formidable. Its integrated value chain from upstream oil and gas to downstream petrochemicals provides natural hedging against price volatility. The Jio ecosystem continues to dominate India's digital landscape, while the retail network keeps expanding with 431 new stores added in the recent quarter. The company's massive capital expenditure of 33,826 crore demonstrates its commitment to future growth. However, significant risks warrant attention. Global crude oil price volatility directly impacts margins across business segments. Intense competition in the telecom sector could pressure Jio's growth trajectory. The retail business faces margin compression amid rising operational costs. Additionally, the company's high debt levels, though manageable, require careful monitoring in a rising interest rate environment. Analyst sentiment remains overwhelmingly positive. 36 analysts covering the stock have set an average price target of 1,693 rupees, representing approximately 13% upside from current levels. The consensus rating shows 29 strong buy recommendations, 5 buy ratings and minimal sell recommendations. Price targets range from 1,370 rupees to 2,020 rupees, indicating varied but generally optimistic expectations. Based on this comprehensive analysis, Reliance Industries presents a compelling investment opportunity. The company's diversified business model, strong cash generation, and strategic investments in future technologies support a buy recommendation. The target price of 1,700 rupees appears achievable within the next 12 months, representing reasonable upside potential while maintaining a margin of safety for investors seeking exposure to India's largest private sector.
Meet Reliance Industries. From powering the nation with massive oil refineries to connecting millions through 5G networks, they're everywhere. Their retail empire spans thousands of stores across the country. While you weren't looking, they quietly built one of Asia's largest conglomerates. With revenues exceeding $100 billion and stock prices that keep climbing, Reliance isn't just a company, it's the backbone of modern India.